I am Chantal Jackson, actress and lover of theatre. Today we join the global community in celebrating World Theatre Day, a moment to reflect on the power of theatre and its role in shaping who we are. Here in Jamaica, theatre has always been more than performance. It is memory, it is resistance, it is identity. From our earliest storytelling traditions to the modern Jamaican stage, theatre has been a space where our voices are heard, our realities are explored, and our truths spoken. It is where we laugh at ourselves, question ourselves, and ultimately understand ourselves a little more deeply. Jamaican theatre carries the rhythm of our people. It reflects our language, our humor, our struggles, and our resilience. It documents our history in ways that books sometimes cannot, and it allows us to imagine futures that we are still working toward. But theatre does not sustain itself. It requires commitment from artists, from institutions, and from audiences. It requires investment in our creatives, support of our stages, and belief in the value of our stories. Because when we support theatre, we're not just supporting art, we are preserving culture, we are nurturing talent, and we are creating space for the next generation of storytellers to stand, speak, and be seen. As we celebrate World Theatre Day, let us honor the actors, the writers, the directors, the designers, the technicians, and everyone who continues to build and sustain Jamaican theatre. Let us also commit to ensuring that this art form not only survives, but thrives. Because theatre is not just something we watch, it is something we carry, and it is something we must protect. With that, happy World Theatre Day.